Have you ever wondered if a late payment, a partial payment, or even a payment that bounces really counts as not paying your rent? It can be a confusing area for both tenants and landlords. Non-payment of rent refers to any situation where the full amount of rent specified in a lease agreement is not received by the landlord by the agreed-upon due date, including any grace period. This is a critical point because it can trigger serious consequences for the tenancy. The core reason certain actions count as non-payment stems directly from the lease agreement, which is a legally binding contract. If the lease states rent is $1,000 due on the first of the month, then anything less than that, or received after the grace period, constitutes a breach. This includes tendering only a portion of the rent, as the landlord is entitled to the full amount. Furthermore, if a tenant pays with a check or electronic transfer that is later returned for insufficient funds, it is treated as if no payment was made at all, often incurring additional fees as specified in the lease. To navigate this, it is essential for both parties to carefully review their lease agreement. Most leases clearly outline the specific due date, the duration of any grace period, the exact amount of rent, and the penalties for late or insufficient payments. Clear communication between landlords and tenants can also prevent misunderstandings when unexpected payment issues arise. An important concept to grasp is the ability to cure the default, which means fixing the non-payment issue within a specified timeframe, often before formal eviction proceedings begin. However, landlords are generally not obligated to accept partial payments after a non-payment notice has been issued unless there are local laws or the lease specifically requiring it. Always confirm local landlord-tenant laws, as they can vary significantly regarding what constitutes a proper notice of non-payment and how it must be delivered. Understanding the precise definition of non-payment of rent helps everyone involved uphold their responsibilities and avoid potential legal disputes. It empowers tenants to ensure they meet their obligations and allows landlords to manage their properties effectively, fostering a clear and fair rental environment for all.